I'm not gonna waste your time. Here are the best man's hairstyles in 2023 that you should ask your barber for. Let's begin. Number 1. Fades. Fade looks great on guys with darker hair. So if you have a black or brown hair, this is definitely your style. But you also have choices within that. Start with one of my favorites, low fade. Low fade is one of the best for casual looks. It looks cool even if you cut the top short or leave it longer. Whether you're 18 or 30, it still looks good. Second, high and mid fade. The high fade looks really good if you cut the top short. With dark hair topped off with a nice beard goes great. This style is also for my black brothers, especially with curly hair. It levels up your style. Third, buzz cut. However, the buzz cut is not only a secret weapon for dark-haired people, but also for blondes and light browns, as it depends more on the lines of your face, how well it suits you, not the color of your hair. If you have a characteristic face, the buzz cut will look good on you. If you had a nice smile, you'll be charming, just like this guy. Number 2, the messy. You can choose based on your own style, but they all have one thing in common. The more texture, the better. First one is fluffy fringe, or as many call it, the TikTok fringe. This is when the hair is set forward and up, slightly frizzy. This gives the textures. I recommend some kind of wax or sea salt spray for it. Second, the modern mullet. It's simple. Grow out your hair and trim your hair on the sides. Third is the messy quiff. It's like the classic quiff, but messier. Amazing hairstyle for every age. It never goes out of style, and with the good textures, it just looks insane. Fourth, the surfer. Every girl wants herself a surfer guy. Long hair with curls on the side just looks good. Before it dries, use sea salt spray on it for textures. Number 3, old-timers. These hairstyles, which will probably never go out of style, no matter how old you are, they'll always be a hit. First, the middle part. Who doesn't remember Leo DiCaprio's iconic hairstyle? Just let your hair grow, keep it clean by getting a trim every 2 or 3 months, you separate it in the middle, and voila. Last but not least, the slick back. A hairstyle you cannot get bored of. Leaving the top long, even with the sides shorter. Classy. These are the best hairstyles for 2023, and who knows what the trends will be in the near future. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll see you soon.